Very good evening, all. So today we have a short covering rally. I have told you to make a position if price is able to control this, cross this, and price has opened out of balance, and it was a really good move on the upside. Okay, but I will tell you some interesting thing about today's move. Is today we just made 640 points range, and it is not very big, it's a big, but we have made more than these 800 points, 700 points. But this move seems really big. Why? Because there were no retracement, price was going instantly into the one direction. Okay, after IB we just added 2 to 9 points, 200 points. It's less than a 50% IB, 50% of IB, but still move was one sided. That is why it seems really big. So we just opened here and went really up. Okay, and we made a value area on the upside. And what will be happening tomorrow? Okay, we try to guess it. So we have a data difference of 75k of long contracts. Okay, and that is something that is really big because we have never got this much of contracts. The last time we have got near about contracts is on the last Tuesday. 74k was the data, and you know that market really went lower, and it was good IB of 500 points. So we can expect similar thing tomorrow, and market is also supporting. Today's price action is also supporting the move. So tomorrow I'm expecting a big IB of 4 to 500 points. After that, we will not go back into the same direction. We will have a good retracement to the VWAP or even to the lower levels. Reason I will explain some another day. But after you got 4 to 500 points on the upside, please don't hold your position because market will retrace back to the lower levels. It might close on the higher side, but retracement would be there. Okay, so after morning, you will get frustrated if you try to go long. Try to find rejection on the upside and go short with proper stop loss and all those things. On the cash data, we don't have too much of information. The reason being because most of the money has been put into the option and future. So this is for tomorrow. Tomorrow expecting a big move on the upside. In first 120 minutes, first 2 hour would be really important. If you're able to see thrust on the upside, please buy it because it will give you some really good points. And today's move is an indication that market is really bullish, and that is why we didn't see any kind of retracement to the lower levels. So but tomorrow we will see some retracement, intraday retracement for sure to the VWAP. Okay, so this is it from my side. Take care.